This is the Viofo A329 versus the A139 Pro daytime comparison test. And as we come up on this Porsche 911, you can see the A139 Pro, I think, does a little bit better of a job picking up the license plate. And as we compare this Nissan Kicks to the left, I'd say they both did a great job of picking up the license plate. And as we continue moving forward, you can see they both pick up the license plates with no problem at all while driving during the daytime. Now, this is obviously a lot of this at low speeds. So as we speed it up, you can see here, the A329 does a better job of picking up the license plates on the driver's side of the vehicle. And we're getting a little bit higher speeds here too as well. And on the Tesla, we actually pick up the license plate. I think both of them did a good job, but with a lot of the daylight reflecting on the lens, the A329 does a little bit of a better job compared to the A139 Pro. Now, obviously, we're going to be doing a CPL filter test upcoming, and the CPL filter may have some better results for the A139 Pro up and coming, but this current video we've done completely without any CPL filters. Now, if you don't know what a CPL filter is, it's if you have a pair of Oakleys with polarized lenses, that's basically what you're doing, is putting a polarized lens on the dash camera lens to try and reduce any glare. Now, as we continue going over the bridge, I just want you to pay attention to the views. If you want to zoom in on any of the license plates while we're doing this, feel free to. But up and coming, we're going to be showing you license plates on the passenger side of the vehicle. And the reason why we're doing this is because the A139 Pro is mounted on the passenger side, and we don't want everybody thinking that we're favoring the A329 because all the license plate comparisons were mostly on the driver side of the vehicle. So as we come up here, you're going to see the Mazda 3, and both dash cameras do a great job of picking up the license plate. And this black Ram 1500 is going to be changing lanes, and we're going to zoom in on the license plate, and both of these dash cameras do a great job of picking up the license plate as well. Now, as we continue driving over the bridge, pay attention to these views. Absolutely amazing. See the little details. Both of these are 4K dash cameras. This whole video is produced at 4K 30 frames per second. And we're coming up to the Toyota Tacoma truck now, and you'll see both dash cameras do a great job picking up the license plate. And last but not least, this Honda Odyssey. Both dash cameras do a great job picking up license plates. I hope you enjoyed this video with the license plate comparison between the Viofo A329 and the Viofo A139 Pro. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Any suggestions for future videos, also leave that down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the full review on the Viofo A329, which will be in the next coming weeks. Cheers.